So, are you tired of cooking eggs on the stovetop every morning? Well, I was, and that's why I'm super excited to share with you my review of the Dash Mini Egg Cooker and Steamer, \n. For the best price, click the link in the description, \n. But here's what surprised me. This tiny device can cook up to 6 eggs at once, and it's not just limited to eggs. It's a steamer. Therefore, let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to cook eggs with a conventional method only to end up with overcooked whites or undercooked yolks? Don't get me started on that. \n. Let's dive into the 3 things you need to know about this amazing product. \n. Deep dive. First 1,300 words. So, let's talk about the design of the Dash Mini Egg Cooker and Steamer. It's compact, which means it won't take up too much space on your countertop. In fact, it's so small that you can even store it in a cabinet when not in use. \n. But what I love most about its design is that it has multiple steam trays, allowing you to cook more than just eggs. You can use it to steam veggies, seafood, or even cook frozen meals. \n. Therefore, let's explore some of the key features that make this product stand out from the rest. \n. Multiple steam trays for versatility. \n. Compact design for easy storage. \n. Easy-to-use interface with simple buttons. \n. Quick cooking time, up to 6 eggs in just 10 minutes. \n. Let me ask you, have you ever struggled with cooking frozen meals because they're too dense and take forever to cook? Well, this product solves that problem. \n. Rehook, around 130 words. But here's the thing. What if I told you that this product is not just for cooking eggs or steaming veggies? It's actually a great addition to any kitchen, especially for singles, couples, or families with young children. \n. Therefore, let me ask you, are you tired of eating out or relying on takeout because meal prep takes too long? Well, this product can help solve that problem. \n. Deep dive continued. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using a mini egg cooker and steamer. For one, it's a huge time saver. With its quick cooking capabilities, you can have a hot breakfast ready in just 10 minutes. No more standing over the stove for hours on end. \n. But what about the health benefits? Cooking with steam is much healthier than frying or boiling, as it helps retain nutrients and flavors. Plus, this product is PTFE-free, making it a safer option for cooking. \n. Therefore, let's explore some of the benefits you can expect from using the Dash Mini Egg Cooker and Steamer. \n. Quick cooking time saves you time. \n. Steaming retains more nutrients and flavors. \n. PTFE-free for safer cooking. \n. Versatile design for multiple uses. \n. Rehook, around 130 words. But here's what really surprised me. This product is not just limited to breakfast or lunch. You can use it for dinner too. In fact, I've used it to cook up some amazing frozen meals that my family loves. \n. Therefore, let me ask you, are you tired of relying on prepackaged meals because they're too expensive or unhealthy? Well, this product can help solve that problem. \n. Resolution. Final 1,300 words. So what's the verdict? Is the Dash Mini Egg Cooker and Steamer worth it? \n. Let me tell you, after using it for a week now, I can confidently say that it's been a game changer in my kitchen. The ease of use, quick cooking time, and versatility have made meal prep a breeze. \n. Therefore, if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with a must-have appliance, look no further than the Dash Mini Egg Cooker and Steamer. \n. But don't just take my word for it. Check out the reviews on Amazon. Thousands of customers rave about this product. \n. The best part, you can get yours today at the link in the description below. Trust me, you won't regret it. Jokes. \n. 1. Why did the egg go to therapy? \n. Because it was cracking under the pressure. Get it? 2. Why do eggs love being steamed? \n. Because they're ecstatic about retaining their nutrients. \n. 3. What did the Dash Mini Egg Cooker say to the stovetop? \n. You're always burning me. Let's try something new. \n. 4. Why is the Dash Mini Egg Cooker a great addition to any kitchen? \n. Because it's excellent.